In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your TCL TV. Now, over here I have my TCL Smart Android TV, but it doesn't matter the type of TCL TV you have, whether you have the TCL Google TV or the TCL Roku TV, any TCL TV you have, and you're having this issue of YouTube can't connect right now, or situations where the YouTube app cannot open, or you're able to open up the YouTube app but the videos are not loading, or you can't play videos on the YouTube app on your TCL TV. In this video, I will give you 3 solutions that will help you fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now or any other YouTube app problem on your TCL Smart TV. Now, for the first method, what you want to do is to just go ahead and turn off your TCL Smart TV. So just press on the power button to turn off the TV, and then you want to go ahead and unplug your TCL Smart TV from the wall socket. So just unplug the TV and then wait for about 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, go ahead and plug back the TV to the wall socket. This is basically you hard restarting the TV. Proceed to turn on the TV once again. This time, before you proceed to connect the TCL TV to your Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that there is no problem with your Wi-Fi network and there is actually an internet access on the Wi-Fi. You can try connecting other devices to the Wi-Fi just to be sure that there is actually internet access, and once you're sure, you can go back and connect your TCL Smart TV to the Wi-Fi and try accessing the YouTube app now. Trust me, this will most likely fix any issue you have with the YouTube app on your TCL TV. But if this solution does not work out for you, another thing you can do to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your TCL Smart TV is to basically go ahead and make sure the date and time settings on your TCL Smart TV is correct. So whichever model of TCL Smart TV you have, you just want to navigate to the settings and then to device preferences. In some TCL Smart TVs, you're going to go over to the system settings to find the date and time settings. In this case, under the device preferences, you can just come over to the date and time settings over here. Now at this point, you want to make sure that automatic date and time is not turned off. So once you click on automatic date and time, you want to make sure you set it to use network provided time or auto synchronization as it is named over here. Once you're done with this, you can go ahead and just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on once again. So just turn it off and then turn it on. Allow it to search for your Wi-Fi network and connect, and this time you can go ahead and open up the YouTube app on your TCL Smart TV once again. Click on try again, and this will most likely fix any problem you have with the YouTube app can't connect or any other YouTube problem you have on your TCL Smart TV. As you can see, mine works absolutely well now. Finally, if the second solution does not work out for you, another thing you can do to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect on your TCL TV or any other YouTube problem on your TCL Smart TV is to just go ahead and clear the cache of the YouTube app on your Smart TV. To do this, you want to head over to the settings of the TV once again, come over to the settings over here, and then you just want to locate the app settings on any TCL Smart TV you have. Locate the app settings and then go ahead and select the YouTube app. Now you want to just make sure that you clear the cache of the YouTube app on your TCL TV. Over here you can see the clear cache option. Just go ahead and select it and click on OK. You can as well just go ahead and select the clear data. This will actually log you out of the YouTube app, but it will definitely fix any problem you have with the YouTube app on your TCL TV. Go ahead and select it, and once this is done, you can go ahead and open up the YouTube app again on your TCL TV, and trust me, any problem you have with the YouTube app not working or the YouTube can't connect problem will be fixed, and you can now enjoy the YouTube app on your TCL TV without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.